Statseeker version 5.5.3 brings an update to the map panel, providing comprehensive presentation options for map panels which are displaying data from more than one query. Prior to 5.5.3, when configuring the display options in your map panel, you're able to specify color ranges, like we have here in this ping time map. I can easily see where I'm experiencing poor ping times, mouse over for a summary, and click through for a drill down offering details on those devices. But when the map was configured to return data from multiple queries like we have here, where I'm getting that same ping data as the previous map, but also a count of the number of down devices, you are limited to simply assigning a single color to all nodes from that query. The data's in there, you can see it in the mouse over, and I have the same drill down functionality, but there's very little information conveyed without accessing the mouse over or the drill down. 5.5.3 addresses that shortcoming. Here we have a map panel presenting both ping times and the number of down devices. In this release, I'm able to specify color ranges and other node presentation options on a per query or data series basis, allowing for far greater flexibility. Let's have a look. In the Metrics tab, we can see that I have one query configured to return the current ping time for devices on my network, and then provide the average ping for all devices in a given location. I also have a second query returning the number of down devices. Over in the World Map tab, we can see how the presentation has been configured. The Circle Properties section offers our new options. As we saw earlier, prior to 5.5.3, we were restricted to colouring by query when you were looking at multiple queries. But now we have another option, Colour by Query Value. We can now expand the section relating to each query and configure the presentation options for the data returned. We can apply colour ranges specific to the query, as well as applying overrides to the node size and opacity. I have a small node size set for the ping times, with the colour indicating the average ping from that location. I have a larger node size set for the down devices, with the shade indicating the number of down devices. 1 down device, 2, and 3 or more. I can also drag and drop these query-specific config blocks to set the Z-index, which series is displayed on the top or the bottom in the panel. With this configuration, I can easily get an indication of the values returned from multiple queries. And if I see something of interest, I can mouse over for a summary or drill down for details. That's the updated presentation options for multi-query map panels, available in Statseeker version 5.5.3.